Apollo 14, you're making history, astronaut Mitchell. This terrain is incredible, unlike anything on Earth. Astronaut Shepard, let's set up the flag, a symbol for all humanity. Visual: the astronauts unfurl the U.S. flag, planting it firmly on the moon's surface. Narrator, as the stars shone unblinkingly above, the U.S. flag stood tall, a testament to human ingenuity and the unyielding desire to explore. Sound: calm hum of the spacecraft. Astronaut Shepard, someday, others will follow. This also imprinted hope in the hearts of millions. Psalm at 45 marked a milestone of cosmic proportions.